If you want to enable Navbar on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your tablet is on One UI 7 or later, because this feature is only available on Samsung devices which are on One UI 7 or later. Now after you have checked your software version, now to enable this feature, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Lock Screen. Now under the lock screen settings, you will find the option of Navbar. Just tap on it. Now under the Navbar settings, just tap on View More. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the services or the options to which you want to enable Navbar for. For example, if you want to enable Navbar for the media player, you can enable this toggle. And also you can enable the toggle for Google Sports events. And also you have the option for Google Finance. After that, you have the option of Maps. Now just give the Maps app the permission to the settings. Now after you do that, the toggle for the maps will appear right here. And you can do the same thing for Samsung Notes. Now after you do that, then just go back, and under the Navbar settings section, you will find the option of current mode. Now if you want to see your current mode in the Navbar, just enable this toggle. And also if you want to enable Navbar for Do Not Disturb mode, then just enable this toggle. Now after you've enabled these features, then just go to your home screen. Now let's enable Do Not Disturb mode for an example. Now if we go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully enabled Navbar. And if we have enabled the option for media player, and if you start listening to music, the media player will appear in the Navbar. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Navbar on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.